welcome to day 60. 60! Today's my last full day of this trip, of this whole 2-month trip. Tomorrow I head home. So today I am going on the Skyrail, and there's going to be a train and there's going to be lots of pretty, and it's going to be very exciting. So yeah, I go home tomorrow. That is crazy. This last 2 months have both gone really, really fast and really, really slow. Because like it feels like I've been away for way longer than 2 months, but it also feels like I am not ready to go home yet. But I also am. It's really weird. I'm very confused in my head. Anyway, let's go catch a bus and then be very high in the air. Exciting. Fast on the way there. Ah, it's pretty. It's totally pretty. It is pretty. It's just, it is pretty. I will give you that it's pretty. It's actually really pretty. Okay. Okay, it's better. I thought that it was gonna go like super fast because it's like downhill, and it's not. It's okay. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I'm not terrified. I'm not actually scared of heights so much as I'm scared of falling. When I was a little kid, I used to be scared of Ferris wheels. There's a video, I think, or maybe it's photos of me and my sister at the Christmas tree. And there's this like photo series of we're on the Ferris wheel, we look happy. We're on the Ferris wheel, Kira looks terrified. We're on the Ferris wheel, Erin's consoling Kira. We're on the Ferris wheel, Kira's not there anymore because I refused and I got let out. Granted, you know, I was like 4 or 5 at the time, but I should probably show you the view, eh? Let's do that. Okay, maybe this isn't so bad. I'm still really high. If this thing breaks, I will die, but I guess I just have to embrace that fact and go, well, there's literally nothing I'll be able to do about it, so it's terrifying, but it's fine. Skyrail drops us off. I've got about an hour before the train. It's very pretty here. All of the photo opportunities. Right now I'm looking at the river, which is very pretty. Feels weird telling everybody I'm going home tomorrow. Whenever I talk to shop assistants and they ask me where I'm from Wollongong and I'm going home tomorrow. It's very exciting. Anyway, I'm going to explore more pretty.